Hi there, students. Forthcoming, an adjective. We have several different uses for this. So firstly, forthcoming, meaning happening soon. So the forthcoming party sounds real fun. It's something that's programmed to happen soon. The forthcoming conference sounds very interesting. The forthcoming winter does not seem like it's going to be very cold. There are forthcoming elections where the government will try to win another term in office. Okay, the forthcoming Olympics, I believe, start tomorrow. Okay, so they're forthcoming, they're happening soon. His forthcoming novel is going to be a great success. The forthcoming opening of a new cinema in our high street is awaited with great expectation. So, forthcoming, happening soon. We can also use forthcoming to mean friendly or helpful or willing to give information or to talk. So I wanted to get more details out of him, but he wasn't very forthcoming. He didn't provide many details. He wasn't very willing to talk. Yeah? He wasn't very eager, very responsive. Yeah? You could say he's not a very forthcoming person. He's not very outgoing. He's quite shy and quite timid. He's not usually very forthcoming about his childhood, but today he really was quite forthcoming. He gave quite a lot of information which is not usual for him. Normally when the police interview a suspect, the suspect is not forthcoming at all. Yeah, he doesn't give any information that he doesn't have to. Once I talked to her about the situation, she was really forthcoming about the truth of the situation. So, willing to cooperate, frank, candid, yeah, responsive. So I hope the interviewee in the forthcoming program will be very forthcoming. There you are, two uses at the same time. Yeah. So in the forthcoming program, the program that's going to appear soon, and the interviewee, the person interviewed, was giving information, was responsive, explained things clearly and in depth. You can also use forthcoming to mean available when needed, in place and ready for use. So I shouted for help, but help was not forthcoming. It was not approaching. It was not ready. The bank was not forthcoming with the money. They didn't make it available for me. Yeah, so they are, I guess, in a way, uncooperative, non-responsive. And those really are the three meanings of forthcoming. So the forthcoming debate will be very interesting. The federal funds were not forthcoming, and he's a very considerate, forthcoming person. He's very open, affable, outgoing, and explains things thoroughly. Yeah. In his forthcoming album, he uses the piano a lot. The money for the project was not forthcoming. Yeah. Normally when you ask for help, you hope that help is forthcoming, because if help is not forthcoming, then you're going to be in trouble. Yeah. The witness was not very forthcoming in court. Yeah, I hope he will be more forthcoming in the forthcoming court case. Okay, so forthcoming, happening soon, available now, given, or willing to cooperate, affable, friendly, open. He's not very forthcoming with strangers. Yeah, doesn't have a very forthcoming personality. So, yeah, forthcoming, approaching, coming, imminent, impending, oncoming, and then forthcoming, open, cooperative, willing to give information, and forthcoming, available, ready. Okay, so the funds were not forthcoming. The money was not forthcoming. Okay, so how formal is this? The forthcoming event. It sounds a little bit formal. I think I'd give it a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation. A good word for a semi-formal or formal writing. Yeah, and then as to origin, well, forthcoming, coming forth, coming forwards. Yeah, coming forwards and coming arrival. So the arrival is forwards, the arrival is near. And that effectively is the origin of it. Okay, I think forth comes ultimately from a Proto-Indo-European word, per, meaning before, and then come from Proto-Indo-European kaman, to come. So forthcoming. So I hope you watch my forthcoming videos with great interest, and I hope you are very forthcoming in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Forthcoming.